Bonjour à tous. Good morning to all. And today we are going to see about the topic les question objective part 2, that is objective type question part 2, which is based on your first lesson. So before that we will recall once our previous video content is choisissez le meilleur réponse, that is choose the best answer, which is based on your dialogue. And second one is deed ray of four, that also based on the dialogue only, that is true or false. And third one is mettez l'autre convenable, mettez le dialogue l'autre convenable, make a dialogue with the correct order. And today we are going to see about les objective, so les questions objective, that is a objective type question. So today's content is répondez à question, that is answer the following, corrigez les faux, correct the mistake. And third one is choisissez la meilleure réponse, grammar. So choose the best answer, which is based on your grammar part, that is first lesson grammar part. Let us move to the first content. Répondez aux questions suivantes. Answer the following. First one is des cambrioleurs, où se sont-ils introduits par effraction? So burglars, where did they broke? So des cambrioleurs se sont introduits par effraction dans l'appartement de Benita. So burglars are entered, that is broke into the Benita's apartment. And second one is qu'est-ce que s'est passé dans l'appartement? So what happened in the Benita's apartment? So the cambrioleurs vont fait un cambriolage dans l'appartement de Benita. So some burglars are entered into the Benita's apartment. And next, qui mène l'enquête? So who leading the investigation? So les agents d'assurance, that is insurance agent only, conducting a investigation. And fourth one is pourquoi y a-t-il been faux devant l'appartement de Benita? So why there was a crowd in front of Benita's apartment? So the answer, la semaine dernière, des cambrioleurs vont piller tous les objets de valeur et les agents d'assurance mènent une enquête, donc il y a une faux devant l'appartement. So the last week cambrioleurs, that is burglars, or entered into Vinita's apartment and looted all the valuable things, and the insurance agent conducting an investigation. For that only there is a crowd in front of Vinita's apartment. And fifth one is est-ce qu'ils n'ont pas installé un bon système d'alarme dans l'appartement? So did not they install a good alarm system in the apartment? Si ils ont installé un bon système d'alarme dans l'appartement. Yes, they have installed a alarm system in their apartment. And sixth one is pourquoi le système d'alarme ne marche-t-il pas? So why the alarm system does not work? Le système d'alarme ne marche pas parce que, that is because, il y avait une panne de courant dans l'appartement. So the system d'alarme does not work because there was a power cut in the apartment. And est-ce que Vinita était chez elle quand des cambrioleurs ont fait un cambriolage? It means was Vinita at home? Burglars make a burglary? No. Elle est sortie en famille. So no, she went out with the family quand the cambrioleurs ont fait un cambriolage. So when the burglars make a burglary, so that time she went out with her family. And eighth one is quand Vinita est-elle rentrée? So when did Vinita return? So elle est rentrée seulement au petit matin. She returned in the early morning. And qui pleure sans cesse? Who cried constantly? Vinita pleure sans cesse. So Vinita cried constantly. And tenth one, pourquoi Vinita pleure-t-elle? So why Vinita is crying? Vinita pleure parce qu'elle a perdu tous ses bijoux en or et Ashok. So Vinita is crying because she lost her all the gold and silver jewelries. And 11th one, Ki Aron was saved and Windom of Carrefour. So who ran over the lady at the crossroad? And jeune homme au volant de la voiture enrossé Windom of Carrefour. So the young man over the lady at the Carrefour, that is a crossroad. And 12th one is qui se présente sur le scène de l'accident. So who is at the scene of the accident? Un gendarme. Un gendarme means what? Policeman. Un gendarme se présente sur le scène de l'accident. That is, a policeman is at the scene of the accident. And 13th one is selon le chauffeur comment le dame traversait-elle la rue. So according to the driver, so how the lady crossed the street. So elle a traversé la rue sans faire attention. So she crossed the road without paying attention. And 14th one is est-ce que le feu rouge marche? It means, does the red light work? No. Le feu rouge ne marche pas. Il cligne. So no, the red signal, it does not work. It is flickers only. And 15th one, pourquoi le témoin dit c'est la faute du chauffeur? So why does the witness say it was the driver's fault? Le témoin dit c'est la faute du chauffeur. The witness said it is the fault of driver parce qu'il a conduit tout à l'heure et n'est pas ralenti la voiture. So because he drove a car at a full speed and did not slow down the car. And the 16th one, qui est blessé? So who has injured? La dame. La dame means what? La lady was injured. And 17th one is pourquoi le chauffeur veut-il partir? So why does the driver want to go, that is to leave? Le chauffeur veut partir car il a un rendez-vous important. So le chauffeur want to leave because he has an important appointment. And 18th one, qui sont là sur le scène de l'accident? So who are they in that accident scene? Un jeune homme, the young man, la dame, la lady, the lady, and le témoin, the eyewitness, and le gendarme, policeman, Winfo, a crowd, sont là, so crowd are there. And 19th one, que fait le faux? So what does the crowd do? Le faux block la circulation. The crowd block the traffic jam. And what is the meaning of carrefour? Carrefour means, that is, crossroad. Qu'est-ce que c'est? So what is the meaning of that one? So un carrefour, c'est l'endroit, it is a place, où se croisent plusieurs rues ou vous cheminez. So a crossroad is a place where across the plusieurs, that is several streets, lands or path. So chemin means what? Path. So this is all about, that is 20 question which is based on your first lesson. And move to the second, corriger les faux. Corriger les faux means what? Correct the mistake. So first one, pourquoi y a-t-il un faux devant l'appartement de Vinita? Here the mistake is what? Indefinite article. So indefinite article, it's the answer is what? Wind. Why? Because faux, it's a feminine noun. For that feminine noun, you have to use the indefinite article as what? Wind faux. So pourquoi y a-t-il un faux devant l'appartement de Vinita? And second one is, nous avons installé un bon système d'alarme dans nos bâtiments. Here the mistake is what? Bon, it's an adjective. Here they conjugated in a feminine adjective. Here the noun is what? Masculine noun. For that masculine noun, you have to use the BON, that is good. And what is the answer? Nous avons installé un bon système d'alarme dans nos bâtiments. And third one is, Vinita est sortie en famille. Here the past participle, you have to add E. Why? Because the subject is what? Feminine. For that feminine, for the past participle, you have to add E in the past tense. And for the fourth one, al e padyu tu se bijo and ner. So here the verb is what? Past verb, not in that 16 verb. So you have to conjugate our verb conjugation only. So the here you have to change the our verb conjugation. So al a padyu tu se bijo and ner. So conjugate the our verb for the past verb in past tense. And next, Sajonom Arovose Satpavridam. So here the mistake is what? Sat, it's a demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative adjective this or that. So here Pavridam, it's a noun, feminine noun. For the feminine noun you have to use a sat, C-E-T-T-E. And sixth one is Oregad Avont the Travase Le Ryu. So Ryu, it's a feminine noun. For the feminine noun you have to use a la for the definite article. And seventh one is say le for du chauffeur. It's a fault of a driver's fault only. So here the mistake is what? Definite article only, because the noun it's a feminine. That is for, it's a feminine noun. For that you have to change a la. And next, eighth one, j'ai vu rendez-vous à Patmo. So here the mistake is what? Indefinite article, because the noun it's a masculine. For that masculine you have to use a only. A rendezvous. It's not a win. You have to change for this one. And ninth one is ce n'est pas an excuse pour envoyer quelqu'un. So here the mistake is what? Indefinite article, because excuse a word it's a feminine noun. For the feminine noun you have to use a win. And 10th one, più qu'elle est blessée, nous devons appeler une ambulance. Here the mistake is what? A blessé spelling, that is a past participle of the verb. You have to add one more E, because the subject is what? Al. And 11th one is al a perdu tout son bijou. Here the mistake is adjective possessive, that is say. Why? Because the noun it ends with what? X, that is a plural one. For the plural one you have to use the say, not so. So this is all about second content, that is corriger les faux, that is correct the mistakes. And move to the third one, choisissez la meilleure réponse, that is grammar. Choose the best answer which is based on the grammar part. First one is Vinita dash of famille. So here you have to use adverb conjugation, that is passé composé. So adverb conjugation, and sortir verb it ends with E. So that is the answer. So Vinita est sortie en famille. So Vinita went out with a family. And second one is elle dash seulement au petit matin. So she had written. So for that written you have to use this only, adverb conjugation. And rentre verb it ends with E. Why? Because the subject begins with what? Feminine. For that you have to use elle est rentrée. And next is ce jeune homme dash cette pauvre dame or renverser. So here renverser verb not in that 16 verb, so that you have to conjugate our verb only. So or renverser cette pauvre dame. And next the fourth one, j'ai dash rendezvous en partant. So here you have to use indefinite article, that is the answer is what? A rendezvous, because the noun is masculine noun. For that you have to use a. And next, ce n'est pas dash excuse pour envoyer quelqu'un. So here also you have to use indefinite article only. Here the noun is feminine noun. For that feminine noun you have to use une excuse. And sixth one is il avait un cambriolage chez dash voisin. So here you have to use adjective possessive. Voisin it's here masculine noun only. For that masculine noun you have to use mon voisin, that is my neighbor. And seventh one is les cambrioleurs vont piller dash les objets. Here adjective means all, that is two means what? All only. So for that objet it's a masculine plural. For the masculine plural you have to use two, that is all. And next, je pense qu'elle viendra dash soir. So here you have to use adjective demonstrative, that is demonstrative adjective. So ce soir, it's a masculine noun only. For the masculine noun you have to use a ce. And ninth one is il a perdu dash porte-monnaie. So here also you have to use a adjective possessive. So for that adjective possessive, see the subject il. For the il subject, what is the adjective possessive? Son, son, say. Here porte-monnaie, it's a masculine noun. For the masculine noun you have to use a son. And 10th one, je n'ai pas oublié dash livre. So here also you have to use a adjective possessive. For the je, it's a mon livre only. Livre, it's an exceptional noun. It ends with e, but it's not a feminine noun. And vous avez dash problem. You have a problem. So that is, you have to use am only. Problem, it ends with e, but it is not a feminine noun. So you have to use indefinite article am. And next, dans dash leçon, nous allons réviser le passé composé. So here leçon, it's a feminine noun, it's an exceptional one. So for that you have to use a demonstrative adjective, sat leçon. And next, for 13th one, le touriste a pris l'avion pour aller dash a Chine. So Chine, it's a China. For the country you have to use the preposition en. En means to go or in or at. On also. So it depends upon the sentence only. So en Chine, the tourists take the train to go to the China. And next, il a reçu le prix Nobel a 2014. For the year also you have to use the preposition en only. So on 2014. And 15th one is elle a perdu to dash bijou and ner. Here you have to use a say, that is adjective possessive, because the noun is what? Plural. For that plural you have to use a say. So this is all about our today's video, that is a question objective, that is objective type question, which is based on your first lesson. It's all over first two videos, that is part 1 and part 2. And if you have any doubt, please refer the dialogue and see this video. And if you have any doubt also, please clarify this video. And thank you. Merci to all.